I'm about to check that ThermoPlan. So this machine over here. It's I'm gonna go with cappuccino or latte. We're gonna go with latte and see how it's gonna go. It's a sign of distress over here. Yeah, it's two wines basically. Yeah, it's looks like better option. They're going together. Milk and the coffee. I like that way. The model is like ThermoPlan latte option. Black and white 3 is the model. Wow, it's a big frame over here. I like this one. It's a professional machine, obviously. That's in Dublin Airport, by the way. So, yeah, we'll see now. We're gonna test it. Thank you for watching, guys. You can subscribe for more videos like that if you want.